All right, today I'm going to introduce our second new belt. This is a brand new belt, never been here before at Hunterworks. This is part of our, what I'm calling our next level of belts. This is our 700 Can Am belt. I always screw this up on videos, but you can certainly go to the website and see. This is going to work on HD7 Defenders, 700 Commanders, 700 Mavericks. I believe it's going to be on the 25 Outlander 850s and 1000s. Also, the ATV, the four-wheeler, the 700 and the 500, I believe they're still called the Outlander. So it fits a myriad of newer vehicles. It's the ones with P-drive clutches. That's key to this. If your ATV or UTV is a 700 or 850 or 1000 for the newer. But anyway, P-drive clutches, this is a new belt for it. Now, don't get that mixed up with X3s starting in, I believe it's 22 with P-drive clutches. That's a whole different belt, which we have, by the way. So let's talk about it. This is got a brand new logo on it, which means nothing to you, but it is kind of fancy. I do want to make note of two things right here. One, this little emblem, and it says "Made in the USA." This is the Can Am belt, and it says "Made in the USA." See that little emblem? These are made by the exact same companies. Difference being, with an aftermarket, we cannot literally have exactly what the OEM has. That belongs to them. But the OEM's job, as far as belts is concerned, is to try to make a belt that works for the majority of the people, a middle-of-the-road type approach, I guess you'd say, that has a good value, it doesn't cost them a lot, and that puts some constraints on an OEM manufacturer. When an aftermarket company like us that has a knowledge to do things different, we can say, you got a newer, better compound, stronger, whatever. Yes, we do. We haven't been able to use it yet, hypothetically. All right, we would like to do that. We want to manipulate some dimensions so this belt does something a little different, a little better. And you know, all of those things you keep working on over time till you just absolutely get one perfect, or you decide that you need what we call application belts. There will be some models that get what we call application belts, and for lack of a better term today, a slow belt and a fast belt. So stay tuned. We're really excited to have this brand new belt for different applications that we've never had before, and we're super excited to be having them made by the same manufacturer that the OE belt is made by. So if you got any questions, holler at me, Todd@hunterworks.com. Make sure you subscribe and like, because there's going to be a lot of belt content coming up. And I think it behooves you to see it and understand what we're doing over here. And we certainly appreciate each and every one of you.